Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. There is a scatter plot given out here. The scatter plot above shows the distance traveled in hours for 10 taxi drivers on the line of best fit for the data. Which of the following is closest to the average speed in miles per hour for the drivers? Okay, so already we know the formula to find speed that is equal to distance. Let me write it over time. Okay, here we have distance on the vertical axis and time, that is hours, on horizontal axis. If I want to find the slope of a line which is on the xy plane, what I will do is I'll be using the rise over run formula. Since we have distance on the vertical axis, so the distance gives the rise, because usually we measure the rise on vertical axis. So the distance gives the rise, and usually we measure the run on the horizontal axis. So here we have time, that is hours on horizontal axis. So that is hours, or time will give the run. So here we have rise over run. So this is a formula to find slope of a line. So here we have line of best fit in the scatter plot. So this rise over run gives the slope of the line of best fit. So that is the slope of the line of best fit gives the average speed for the drivers in miles per hour. Okay, now to get the slope of the line of best fit, what I have to do is I have to choose a random point on the line of best fit. Okay, now let me choose a point over here. So now what I have to do is I have to find the vertical distance from this point to the horizontal axis over here. So that gives me the rise. So here we have 240, here we have 0. So the rise over here is 240. Let me write 240 for rise. And for run, we have to measure the horizontal distance over here, that is 4. When I divide this 240 by 4, I am getting 60. Okay, here in numerator we have 240. The unit of this 240 is miles, and in denominator we have 4. The unit of this 4 is hours. So the unit of the result 60 over here is miles per hour. So that is the average speed for the drivers is 60 miles per hour. Okay, when I go over the options here, so the value which is closest to this 60 is 59, that we have in option B. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.